We got this sticker. Do you know, Lizzy? Wow, I like this sparkle. Let's open it. Wait. Wow, we got this one more sticker, guys. Hey, Christel, I'm so excited. Open it. Okay. Whoa, what is this? This is the first pack. Oh my gosh, look at this beautiful outfit. So pretty. Let's open this one. Ooh, it's big. Oh wow, look at this doll. Wow. Let's open the next. What this is? Oh wow, this is her bottle. And this one. Oops, let's open it. Wow! Her headphones. She is so nice. Let's make her stand. How? Let's open this outfit. Wow, look at this. So pretty. And this is her upside and her down. This dress is so nice. Wow, my doll is so glittery. Look at her hair is glittery and her dress. And this is her glittery headphones and her bottle. There, she's drinking. And I forgot the last one. Wow, her shoes. They are so cute. I'm going to put the shoes on. And this one. Let's see. Wow. Yay! I'm so happy, my pretty doll. My pretty doll. See my doll, Lizzy. La la la.